Well, as we speak, I know for a fact that just this morning, yung pre-trial order, yung resulta ng pre-trial conference, ay inilabas ngayon ng ating clerk of court, si Attorney Ray Bantu. And most of the list of the witnesses that we presented have already been invited, no? I just don't know ano yung reply ng iba, no? But karamihan sa kanila ay tumugon dun sa invitasyon ng ating prosecution panel.
Meron po ba kayong nakikita ng mga technicalities na baka naman na matigil yung trial or baka ma-delay ang trial? Sa puntong ito po, meron kayong nakikita po? Anything that concerns you?
Well, unang-una, no, wala naman pong provision yung rules ng impeachment na pwedeng i-dismiss, no, in the absence of trial, no. Kung kailangan maglitis muna, magpakita ng ebidensya ang depensa, magpakita ng depensa ang prosecution, at doon ang magiging basihan sa desisyon o yung paghukom ng ating mga senator judges. If there are questions, procedural questions, which I think was brought out, no, during the pre-trial conference, ito po ay ninote ng ating clerk of court at ito rin pag-uusapan, no, dito sa pag-umpisa ng ating impeachment trial. Most of the concerns of the defense ay ang kanilang sinasabi, ito po ay meron pong procedural defect at constitutional issue doon sa pagpapasa ng articles of impeachment against the Vice President. So again, this is now in the hands of the impeachment court, and we have to wait ano yung magiging decision nila tungkol dito.